Soft deletes can create a surprising Laravel validation bug. A row may be deleted from the user's view while it still exists in PostgreSQL. Laravel soft deletes does not physically remove the row. It writes a deleted at timestamp, and normal Eloquent queries automatically hide that record. A basic unique rule still checks the underlying table, so recreating a user with the same email can fail because the soft deleted row still matches. If the business rule says only active users must have unique emails, the validation rule must express that definition by requiring deleted at to be null. But validation is not a database log. Two requests can perform the same uniqueness check before either request commits its insert. That race condition is why PostgreSQL must enforce the same rule with a partial unique index covering only rows where deleted at is null. A partial index excludes soft deleted rows from the active constraint. One deleted value can exist, but two active rows with the same value cannot. Also decide whether uniqueness is case sensitive. If emails are case insensitive, the database index and Laravel normalization must use the same definition. Restore operations need equal attention. A deleted account may conflict with a replacement account that now owns the same active email. Choose an explicit restore policy. You can block the restore, require a different email, or use a deliberate merge workflow when the domain allows it. Tests should cover the full lifecycle, create the record, soft delete it, recreate the same value, and then attempt to restore the original record. Add a concurrency safety test or integration test that confirms PostgreSQL rejects the second active write and the application returns a clear conflict response. Keep the write path simple. Validate for a helpful response, perform the write and translate expected database integrity failures without pretending they succeeded. The Laravel rule, PostgreSQL index, restore workflow, and automated tests must all share one definition of which records are active. The lesson is simple. Soft deleted does not mean gone. Make validation and the database agree on exactly what unique means. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.